13 rules of becoming best version of yourself. 1. Wake up before your mind becomes lazy. The first hour of your day matters a lot. If you wake up early, you get quiet time to think, plan, and start without stress. 2. Do the hardest work first. If you finish difficult work early, the rest of the day feels lighter. For example, study first or complete an important task before checking your phone. 3. Don't wait to feel motivated. Many people wait for motivation and waste time. Start first, even if you don't feel like it. Once you begin, your mind slowly joins you. 4. Be careful about what you watch every day. Your mind learns from whatever you give it. If you watch negative things daily, your thoughts also become negative. 5. Speak less, listen more. You do not need to react to everything. Sometimes listening quietly helps you understand people better and makes your words more valuable. 6. Keep small promises to yourself. If you decide to do something, try to complete it. Even small promises matter because they build trust in yourself. 7. Take care of your body. A healthy body gives you more energy and better focus. Even walking daily or simple exercise helps a lot. 8. Stop comparing your progress. Everyone moves differently. Someone may start faster, but your journey is your own path. 9. Work even when you don't feel like it. Mood changes every day. If you depend only on mood, progress becomes slow. Discipline keeps you moving. 10. Spend some time alone. When you stay alone for some time, your thoughts become clearer. You understand what really matters to you. 11. Accept slow improvement. Big change does not happen quickly. Small steps every day create strong results later. 12. Remove one bad habit slowly. Trying to change everything together often fails. Choose one habit and improve it first. 13. Think about your future self. Before doing something, ask, will my future self feel proud of this choice? Becoming your best version is not about changing everything in one day. It is about making better choices again and again until they become your nature. If this helped you, then do like, subscribe, and share with someone who needs this. We'll meet you in the next video.